Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing part 5 of Josh's Integra DC5 build, and today we're going to be fitting a new racing harness to the car and then hopefully starting it up for the first time. So yeah, let's take a look at it. You're replacing the brackets on the gearbox?
No.
So that you can mount the harness for
yeah.
them?
Yeah. Obviously...
They're not... Yeah, you're just tapping onto the
yeah,
existing...
I don't want to really have the harness running on the hot engine and gearbox.
So they just act as a bridge?
Yeah. So it's like a carbon cut.
Yeah.
Which you will put like this. Like this.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah,
Okay.
and then you'll cable tie the harness to that.
Okay.
Makes sense?
Yeah, that makes sense, yeah.
So it's not resting on the hot parts.
Okay, and that's the harness down there. This is the...
Yeah, it came in 2 parts.
Right.
I mean, you did say that, but I didn't really know what you meant.
And the whole point of doing this was so that it's all nicely shrink wrapped, right, like this?
Well, yeah, he just makes it fucking better than standard.
Yeah.
In my opinion.
And is it all new wiring, like, or is it just refurb?
That's completely new.
So that's the good thing, because on an older car there's a potential for a lot of it to wear, or like wires to fray.
And obviously,
So
we well, I did my harness on my own. And I'd never done one before, and I mean it worked, but it looked shit, and I didn't like it, and it was what let the engine bay down. So
nice.
but it's a bit of a jigsaw puzzle. All the I'll show you in a minute. But
Show me the goods. Show me the money, mate.
engine harness.
Shut up.
Yeah. This is part of it.
What bit's that?
Read the writing.
Yeah, read the tag.
You're going to lose a lot of followers in a sec.
Mate, I cannot. It's not focusing.
Really?
It says VTEC. Blah!
Yeah. VTEC solenoid.
Why? Oh, is that actually for the solenoid?
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
And then you have like...
They picked a random bit of loom to put it on.
Yeah, no, that is it. And then like that, for example... Starter.
It will be, because you keep talking.
Starter, knock sensor. Yeah, alternator. And then the injector loom's down here. Then they connect with this plug here, if I've got to find it. Somewhere.
It's a proper.
Yeah. So they
It's tight. It's good the thing that it's tidy.
That connects there,
Okay.
and then that goes up for the injectors, which go through the intake manifold and in.
Right.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's supposed to really go through this grommet, which is the OEM hole, but I had mine blanked off, so I'm going to have to use the original grommet.
Right. Okay. It's quite a big grommet.
Yeah, it's not the one I used to go on. So.
Last time I was here, I whacked my shin on your toe ice so hard.
Did you cry about it?
Mate, it hurt for days.
Start looking at the sensors. So what's this? This is earth. Cam B, so that's my exhaust cam, I can only assume.
Are there any going to be a bit of a pig to fit because they're like right down the back?
Yeah, camshaft position sensor will be a bit of a faff.
Yeah.
But once we get it all laid out, it won't be too much of a big deal, really.
No.
This is the second part of the harness.
Right.
And this connects to this plug, which is like the, I don't know, the main part of it, I guess. That connects there. And these are for injectors, so they're completely separate.
Nice.
I've got to somehow feed these.
Will they go underneath and back around?
They go. So this is what I mean. Like, I'll probably take this on and off like 4 times, trying to route it how I want it. That goes under there, out of the way, and I'll try and feed them up through this hole.
Or they go through the centre and then outward.
Yeah, exactly.
Interesting.
So you can't see it. Standard wise, they go like
straight
along the
across the top.
front and over and across, so you can see them like.
Get this in there.
That sums up you, really, doesn't it?
Ages.
No, stop whinging, mate. Who do you think wants to hear it start more, me or you?
Me.
That's gonna be 3, I think. You can't see, they're very small. That's got to be 2. And then you can just rotate the injectors inwards. Just in there.
Yeah, that's pretty smart. Can't really see it, can you? Which is how you want it, really, isn't it? To tuck them behind the injector rail.
Feel right, yeah. It's cool, it's cool, it's cool. Fine. Okay, quite for that.
Cool. What's next?
This loom also has to go round, so this part is starter, alternator, and
I was going to say you need to at some point go for the alternator.
yeah, that's alternator there. So you basically have a Honda, and Honda has a separate charge harness from factory. And he's made this all one.
Okay. Lovely.
That's got to be knock sensor. Obviously I'll cut those cable ties.
Oh.
Sticks to that, so it's not
You
sitting on the
cable
engine.
tie them like that. I
Yeah.
see. Because on the Renault, they have a plastic bit that goes along there,
Yeah.
and then they sit on that, so there's still a gap. But that's, I guess, better because it's floating completely.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Still don't know where to put this earth.
You're a brave man, cable tying that in already.
Why?
Well, I don't know. Like in case you wanted to change it, but I mean, it looks nice
I'm
anyway.
quite happy with
Just,
how it is, to be honest.
just a pain, isn't it, to cut them all again? But
I mean, I'm not going to be able to get it to sit any other way, really.
yeah, true. This is the way.
I need to just do that. And I also need to get the plugs at the back.
Yeah,
Crank position sensor and stuff.
things are happening.
Is it a TARDIS?
It sounds like a spaceship, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Supercharger.
What is that noise?
Power steering pump. Have you done that so you can access something better?
Yeah, I can access the crank position sensor.
Literally can't even film that. Just
It's a faff, mate.
yeah.
Because that's dad's.
My luck, innit?
It's
Cider.
exciting. Interesting.
I think I might. No.
Hmm.
There was, when I moved it, there was a inside of a plug
Right.
on the floor,
Okay.
and I think where I wrapped my interior loom, I might have unplugged my fuel pump. Hang on. Oh god! Do you know what? I like these seats a lot, but they are annoying when you can't get in the back. If I get this working and I start it, or try and start it,
Yeah.
I need one of you to put a bit of cardboard behind that.
Oh yeah. Okay. Fine. Was it actually unplugged?
I didn't feel very secure. There's definitely a fuel pump. I don't know why the fuel pump's not working.
Yes. So we could potentially
This
have.
will start now, yeah. El, you put that cardboard behind.
You'll
What
be
does that
good.
mean? You can do it. Giving it a magic rub.
It's got the Midas touch.
I don't think it's got any fuel.
It could be fuel, you know.
I genuinely don't think it's got any fuel.
Right.
No, it's got like battery as well.
So this is actually day 2 or Saturday after yesterday, back in the unit with the car because there was no fuel in it, so obviously it wouldn't start. So Josh is just taking a look at it now. There's still a few things with the loom, I think, that need to be sorted because it's not registering that he's put nearly 20 litres of fuel in it. So yeah, we're gonna carry on, see if we can get it started. The anticipation.
A few moments later.
Yes. Cool.
We have a working vehicle.
Indeed.
Yeah. It just needs to basically be given a run. That's what that's fuels were at the back and started for ages.
Yeah. Nice.
Congratulations. Now ready to slay.
He's still looking at it like, oh
Shit.
For sale, anyone? No, it works.
50k.
I do quite like it.
Go big. Starts it up for the first time in 8 months. First thing he says, for sale.
Strange man.
Join us for the next video, which will be up next week, which will feature a little bit about the engine work that's been done, the new cams that have been dropped in, and quite excitingly, some dyno footage of Jesse at JCal tuning the DC5 to see just how much power we make.